happens, Mommy?
Whoa.
Now, that's my handing. Do. Now, store. Do. Now, store.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I have Ryan with me. We are going to bake a pumpkin pie. And this is the first time we've done it together. This is the first time I've cooked one, baked one from scratch. So let's just jump in. The recipe, I'll share it in the description box below because it's not mine, and I want to share whose it was. The reviews were really good on it, so I hope it turns out good. I think it will. We have one shot at it, so we're gonna do our best, huh? And you're gonna help me, and you're gonna do so good, but there's really just a handful of ingredients. Just mix everything together, put it in your pumpkin or your pie crust, and then bake it. So the first thing we wanna do is we're gonna preheat the oven to 425 degrees.
Now let's do it. It's okay.
Okay, so what we need to do, sweeties, we have to open these up, okay? I'm just gonna follow the directions. We have to whisk the pumpkin. This is the pumpkin puree, the sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna do the eggs and the spices, okay? So I'm gonna open this, and then can you help me pour it in there? We need some new. Okay, now very carefully put that in there, okay? Use those muscles and shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, here, let's use the spoon or the fork here. I'm gonna help you with it, okay? Just like that. It smells really good already. There you go. Remember when you helped me do the Christmas cookies last year? You took a big bite out of the butter. Do you remember that?
Why?
Because you like the way it tastes. You want to get all of it. You don't want it to go to waste. Smell. Smell good? Yeah? Now I'm gonna open the sweetened condensed milk. You gonna help me pour this in there?
No, I will do it by myself.
By yourself? Okay, hold on. Let me get this off here like that.
Now?
There you go. Good job. There's still more in there, huh?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Go ahead. Get this out of the way. Make sure you get it all in the bowl, okay? Yeah, we're gonna do it in just a second, okay? And Mary's laid those, huh? Those are fresh from our chickens outside. It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, then we have to crack them. Eat them.
You're gonna eat them? We're gonna crack them and put them in the bowl, okay? Then we're gonna mix all this together.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just set this right. Let me get a napkin so I can.
Kettle cakes, pancakes, awesomeness.
Okay, ready to crack the egg? You wanna do it? I'll let you do it, okay? A little harder. There we go. You wanna do it? Good job. Look at that, Ryan. Those are beautiful looking eggs. Okay, so far we've used 1 can of pumpkin puree, a can of condensed sweet milk, and I used the Eagle brand. The recipe said to get that brand because it was the best, so that's what we're doing. 2 eggs, and then we're gonna use some spices. So we have cinnamon here. And in the cinnamon, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, okay?
Okay, I will do it.
You can do it. I'm gonna take this little top off.
But it comes out new. It says bum 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 bum.
So you're gonna scoop that in?
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, now just tap off a little bit. That's a little bit too much. Okay. Okay, right. All right. Cinnamon's done. Then we need a half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Ooh, do I have ginger? Let me go check. Hold on. I don't know if I have ground ginger. I I do. All right. Thank goodness, because I don't want to leave anything out. Okay, ground ginger.
I'll help you. I'll help you.
Where do these things come? These are hard to get off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you think so? Hold on, baby. Okay, now you're just gonna use half of one, okay? So let me pour it out in this because I don't want to use too much ginger. It's too strong. I'll use a different. And then you can pour it in, okay? Just a little bit. Let me see. That's perfect. Okay, that's enough. There you go. Okay, that's all the ginger. Then the same amount of nutmeg. So let's get the nutmeg.
I did. Can I do it?
Yeah, we have to do just a little bit, like the last amount, okay?
Okay.
Then we need some salt.
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 I would do put it in.
There's a half a teaspoon of salt. No, you don't pour it in, you're gonna use your measure. Let me wipe it off, okay? You're gonna use your measuring spoon.
That's in the measuring spoon. I got that.
Yeah, that's yours. Pour it in, okay. Now let me see. Okay, it doesn't say vanilla, but we're gonna add a little bit in there, so I'm gonna put it in the cap, and then you can pour it in, okay?
Oh, I do it like this.
You want me to put it in the there, or you put it in the cap? Okay. Okay. That's just a little bit. That's about half a teaspoon. There you go. Okay. Now we're gonna whisk it up together, okay? You wanna do that?
Yeah, that's by myself. And I should do this to the pumpkin pie.
Let me do it a couple quick times. Just like this.
Oh, you're getting it everywhere.
Am I? Can you smell it? It smells so good. Look at this smell good. I'm glad we added the vanilla.
I want to smell. Yeah, I want to roll it.
You want to roll it? Well, sweetie, it's rolled. You can help me roll it out, okay?
Oh, but I will by myself.
You can roll it. So the last step is you're gonna take your pie crust. I'm gonna use this pie crust that is store-bought, or use your homemade one. Carefully take it out of there, okay? And then you're gonna roll it out into your pan, your dish. Do it very carefully, okay? I only have one.
So that's the way we have to.
Put it in here and unroll it, okay? Very carefully, there you go. Okay, that's a good job. Hang on, let me even it out here.
I'll get my own fork.
You gonna get a fork?
I just need one fork.
Okay, you're gonna get a fork to poke holes in the bottom. Just gonna press it down on the side.
This one.
Okay.
This is See, this patio's my Play-Doh.
Huh?
This thing looks like Play-Doh.
Okay. Stand up here. Now we're gonna pour in. We're going to carefully pour in our pie filling, okay? Pour it in real slow. There you go. Good job. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so good. There you go. Now we're going to. There's still a lot left in here, so that's why I have my spatula. So we're gonna scrape the sides like that. Okay. We bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, there we go. You smell it? It's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna bake for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay. And then we'll check back in just a little while. Here it is. Ooh, that looks very good. Some of it got a little bit dark on the side. That's okay. Look at that. Oh goodness, okay.
Hi everybody, I'm making whipped cream.
Yeah, we're gonna make some whipped cream. We're gonna make some homemade whipped cream. We don't really buy like Cool Whip, that kind of stuff, so we're just gonna make the super easy and fast whipped cream. It's just, all it is heavy whipping cream, and then I put a little bit of sugar in it, and we're just gonna mix it up. And it is the absolute best whipping cream you've ever had.
I have a mom.
Yeah, and I have you to help. You gonna help? Okay. So we're gonna do that while the pie is cooling off. We're gonna do that, and I hope the inside's cooked enough. We shall see in just a minute.
Eat it.
We will. We're gonna do that. So let me get our stuff to mix it, okay?
Say a password if you want some. Say a password.
What's the password?
I will tell you.
Is it a secret? Okay.
I tell you. I tell.
If you tell me, you're gonna tell?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna tell me, okay. Is that the password?
Yes.
What is that the password for? I can't see
You.
the plug. What's that the password for? Shh, don't tell everybody, then it's not gonna be a secret. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we just have a bowl. I'm sorry this lighting is so bad. It's extremely bright behind us, but there's nothing I can do about that. And then you have your heavy whipping cream.
Oh, this is a little bowl. I'll pour that.
No, just a minute, honey. We gotta, I don't have measurements. I just kind of go off of what looks good. If you've watched my video before, you probably figured that out.
That's my friend Mom.
Thank you. I love you. Can I kiss?
See? That.
Thank you.
Actually was colors and you.
Okay, so we're just gonna pour some in there. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay.
Now mix.
Just a minute. We're gonna put some sugar in there too. Oh, we're just gonna okay. You need a little bit of sugar.
Okay, I'll do.
Just a little bit.
I will.
Okay. Just want a tad bit more. Just a pinch more. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my hand mixer because you want to get it thick, and this is gonna do it the fastest way. Okay.
Why do we need to
Okay.
whip cream? Why do we need to
So it takes a few minutes, but
Can I
it's the best whipped cream you've ever had.
Can
Yeah.
I touch it?
Wanna try it? Test it for me. Tell me if it's good.
Can I touch the
Mm-mm. Not yet.
wine? I want
Bring
it.
it.
I'll have it.
And you just make it till it gets thick, and then there's like those little peaks on top when you're whipping it. You'll see that. So that's all. It's so easy. It's the best kind. Good. Okay. All right. We're gonna cut a piece. Do you want to be the taste tester of the pumpkin pie today?
Yeah.
Okay. And you already got the knife and fork? Okay. Cool. Look at that. That looks perfect. Here, let me get a good view of that. The camera to see. Look at that.
I'll tell you a secret.
Okay. Okay. Look at that pie. Wow.
Bye-bye,
looks so
kids.
good. What?
Bye-bye, kids.
Okay, well, it's not time to say bye yet. We're gonna show everyone. Hang on, let me rearrange the camera again. I'm so happy so far with the way this turned out. The inside is cooked perfectly. The consistency looks amazing, and I'm ready to try this. Where do you want the whipped cream? On top? Okay. Maybe I want it for you, okay?
so slippery.
How does it taste? Is it good? Keep blowing on it if you eat another piece. Okay, so I think we have a winner. Ryan seems to really like it, and I am going to also cut a piece, but I wanted to thank you so much for watching our video. Do you want to tell everybody something?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.